This is Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to try to replace the hinge end cap on your GE refrigerator. If you need to buy a new hinge end cap for your refrigerator, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The hinge end caps are located here on the top left and right corners of the fridge. Remove the 2 screws using a 1/4 inch nut driver. Pull up on the left side of the cover, then away from the center of the fridge. If you need to purchase a new hinge end cap, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. The end caps for this refrigerator are sold as a set, including the left and right sides. To install, align the notch and insert, then press down to lock in place. Then, reinstall the 2 screws. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this or these, please consider subscribing.